Hey guys, let's make this delicious pot of okra and ogbono soup. Yes, you heard me right. This is a combination of okra and ogbono. So guys, let's get started. So for the protein, I have stockfish, I have some aorta and stripes. And I will be adding some cowtail inside it. You know I'm cooking all the meats together because it has the same cooking time when you use pressure pot. So I will add water to the level, add some onion, some seasoning powder, some pepper, some salt. I will also be adding some thyme. Then I will give it a stir to mix it so that the seasonings will go down and mix with everything. Then I will cover and pressurize. Cook for about 20 minutes is ready on a high heat. And I cook on the highest level of the pressure. So 20 minutes ready, but if you are cooking with normal pot, it will cook like about 1 hour or more. So once it's ready, I will start cooking the soup, but first I will take it out. Take out the meat. If you see the meat like it's falling off the bone, it means it is ready. So I will transfer it into the cooking pot, the pot I will use to cook the soup. Then I will add some dry fish, dry catfish. Cover and cook the dry fish for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will be blending some ogbono and some ogiri okpeyi. Because the ogiri was dry, so I used my knife to cut it. Then I'll be using my fingers just to cut the ogbono. And I will add some cubeb seed, that is uziza seed. I will blend. Guys, this my Thyme blender wasn't giving me the job. No, it wasn't doing it at all. I tried to blend several times, but this Thyme, no. So my kids were here to help me in our old African method way. So they blended it for me with mortar and pestle. And after 5 minutes, I will be adding some palm oil. This oil was the oil I took from the palm paste. So if you see that thing that settled under it is not dirt, it is oil from palm paste, which I have used to cook the banga soup. Then I took it out from banga soup. So that is oil from banga. So after adding the oil, I will stir and I will cover and allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes because the oil has been cooked. Remember, I took it from the banga soup, so it has been cooked. So after cooking for 2 minutes, I will be adding dry or grilled mackerel fish. This has dried very well, so when it enters inside the soup, it will not break. So I'll be adding it. Then I will add the ogbono and the ogiri with cubeb seed my kids blended for me inside the pot of soup. Give it a stir as you see me doing because you want to combine everything to cook evenly. Then after stirring it, I will cover the pot and cook for about 3 minutes for the ogbono to be cooked before adding the okra. Stir to see the consistency. You see the consistency. Now it's not thick, it's not so watery, a little bit light. So I'll be adding frozen okra. So because I added ogbono, I will not be adding too much okra to this. So I'll add just like the portion that I need for this soup. And I will give it a stir. Add crayfish, a lot of crayfish because crayfish goes very well with okra or ogbono soup. Then after that, I will add a lot of onions. If you don't like the way I cut my onion, you can dice your own tiny or you can blend it. Add some sweet paprika and some habanero pepper as well. Follow it up with some salt to taste, then stir to make sure it's not burning. Also to combine everything together perfectly well. Follow it up with some water to lighten the soup. As I've added the water, I will stir it to check the consistency of the soup. If it's too thick for me, I will add more. So I will add a little bit of water again till I get the consistency that I want. But you can leave it like this, very thick. But my dear, ihe shirike, economy is hard. We have to lighten up the soup a bit. So I will mix everything, then I will test for salt. I will add some dash of salt till the taste suits my taste bud. Then I will cover and cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the vegetables, the okra, the paprika and the onion will cook very well. But I don't want to overcook this, so I will not cook this more than 3 minutes. Then after that, I will give it a stir to make sure it's not burning and to make sure that it cooks evenly. The one on top is cooked as well. So you can see the fish is not breaking because it dried very well. So I will be testing for the last time to make sure that everything is okay and everything is as good as perfect. So now is time to turn off the stove and take down the soup from the cooker. And I will be transferring it into a smaller pot which I will be using to dish it out on the dining table because the pot that I used in cooking it is so big. So after turning it into a smaller pot, voila, our soup is ready. And it can be eaten with any swallow of your choice, be it keto friendly or banku. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. I appreciate you. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done that. And bye. See you in my next one. Ciao.